4 days left for the AI Agent Challenge. Thank you everyone for registering for this so far and getting excited towards this. This is a very unique type of challenge as it is going to start with already we have online sessions that we are gearing up with all of you to understand the differences between an AI agent, agentic AI, when to use these technologies and how to make your applications better with these things. So gearing up for this challenge, keep your tasks that you want to do ready. All of you who have been part of this group, the day 0 has started. We recommend all of you to get to day 0, download the template, think about the project that you want to build. We have added a YouTube list with approximately 20 plus videos on agentic AI, different things about agentic AI, about the different things that have happened. Some are foundational videos, some are talking about the latest news that is happening. So look at these videos. We are also putting the recording of the videos of our workshops and our talks that are there, like the career talk that we had yesterday with our guest speaker Sumit Ranjan, and the before this one more session we had about agentic AI that is there. So have a look at these sessions, gear up, understand how things happen. We are going to do one more workshop this week with some demo of how to build an AI agent using a no-code, low-code tool for you to get little bit refreshed for the session that is there. So my message to everyone looking at this video is get ready for this amazing Bootcamp Plus Challenge ecosystem. The purpose of all of you is to come attend the full day workshop and gear up and submit whatever you have done. It can be a small demo video, a GitHub, a LinkedIn post about your experience that you have geared about this, so that whatever you have done in this boot camp, you will be able to get into it. Now a lot of people are asking me what are we going to cover in the boot camp. All the breakdown is here as well. We are going to talk about foundational knowledge because a lot of people are confused. What is AI agents, what is automation? Just to give you guys a very good breakdown, we will be having a lot of no code, low code tools as well, with little bit of Google Colab, getting started with Google Colab, doing little bit of no code, low code type of projects, and everyone doing more of hands-on and getting things done in a very professional manner. So it is going to be very much hands-on. It's going to be spread from the whole day, so people can take breaks, people can go and work outside and do whatever they have trying to build, and join the session as the ones that we are going to do. For the tools, we are going to use Langflow and MindPal. These are the two visual LangChain builders that we are going to use. We are also going to use for the code based, we are going to use LangChain, LangGraph, Crew AI and LangMeme. These are the things that we are going to use. And also one interesting part, because the speaker is going to come from the LLM security part. So we are going to talk about key risks like prompt injection, data leakage, tool misuse, and all those things that are there. So we are going to talk about some security tools that are there, and amazing tools like LLM Guard, Model Scan. So you will not only learn about how to build an AI agents application or AI systems, but also how you can secure your AI agents through these particular concepts that are there. And I will also be including this part in our next challenge. One particular day is going to be to add the security layer to your application in whatever you're trying to do. So these are some of the outcomes that we want to build a application by yourself, and by end of the day there are going to be some hands-on workshops, some projects that you will do on your own, and then what you want to submit to the challenge. It can be up to you what you want to do. You want to do the same thing, you want to do the updated version of the same project, and you are free to do that. And it is going to be an amazing day, lot of knowledge, lot of confidence, and taking your learning one step further. Thank you very much, and see you to complete your day 0, and share the excitement on the socials and accountability as well with the community. Bye bye.